to calculate the total salary of an employee, deduction salary of an employee, and net salary of an employee. So we have the one sheet here and we have the some records here. So here this sheet is having the name of an employee, basic salary of an employee, T of the employee, D of the employee, HRA of an employee, and total is a blank column. Here we have to calculate the total. Here you have to calculate the total of all the employees. Next one is the LIC and PF. LIC and PF is the deduction salary. So this LIC and PF deduction from the total salary. So that's why here we have to calculate this. Then you have to add these two salary options, LIC and PF, and we have to print that in the deduction salary column. And then after that, the very next column is there, it's called as a net salary. In this net salary, so whatever we have the total salary of the employee, total salary minus deduction salary. So as per this data or as per this sheet, so now want to calculate this one. Okay, for example, this sheet is having the 4 employees. For that, now want to calculate the first total of first record. If you want to calculate the total salary of one first employee, place the cursor where you want to calculate the total, and then after that we have to add the contents of basic plus TA plus DA plus HR. To add the contents of left side values, just you have to click on the auto summation. So it have the one auto summation symbol. Click on that symbol, then it highlights the left side numerical values, and then it shows the formula. The formula of this one is equal to sum B3 to E3. Whatever have the value in between this B3 to E3, it calculates the sum of these values or numbers, and press enter key. It calculates the total salary of an employee. It calculates the total of first record or first employee. To copy the same formula to calculate the total salary of all employees, move the cursor at bottom right corner and click and drag the mouse. So by using this one, we can calculate the total salary of all the employees. Now we have to calculate the deduction. Deduction means LIC is also deduction and Provident Fund is also deduction. So we have to add these two values and you have to calculate the deduction total. To calculate this deduction total, place the cursor in this blank column deduction salary, and again we have to click the auto sum. When you click on auto sum, it highlights only LIC and PF. Again the formula is same, equal to sum G3 into S3, only range is different, and just you have to click on enter. So now it calculates the deduction salary, means the first employee deduction, LIC deduction is 250 and the PF is 150. 250 plus 150 is it's an 400. To copy the same formula for all the records, again move the cursor at bottom right corner and click and drag the mouse. So now it calculates the deduction salary of an employee, and the very next column is net salary. What is the procedure to calculate the net salary? The procedure is whatever we have the total salary, that total salary minus deduction salary. That total salary minus deduction salary. This time you have to give that formula manually. Every manual is formula start from is equal to, then total. I clicked on total, but it takes the F3. F3 is the cell address of the first total. Then minus total minus deduction salary. So now I clicked on 400, but it takes cell address as I3. I3 is the first deduction salary, and press enter key, means this formula indicates total minus deduction salary, and press enter. So now it calculates the net salary of an employee. Next means, so the total salary of that employee is 16,350 as per this example. Then 250 and 150 is the deduction salary. Means 16,350 minus 400 means it's a 15,950 is the net salary. And to copy the same formula, again follow the same, click and drag the mouse up to the end, and then you have to release it. So here by using this one, we are calculate the total salary, net salary, and deduction salary. So this is the data. These are the records for a particular employee. If you want to calculate or if you want to maintain the employee's record, so you have to maintain in this fashion. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.